Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to do a character drawing of Eddie Murphy, and I'm using my iPad. But even though I'm doing this digitally, the same principles apply as if you were doing it with a marker and a sheet of paper. So without any further ado, let's get started. So when I look at this picture of Eddie Murphy, tell you what, let's add a layer, and I'm going to use yellow. All right, when I look at this picture of Eddie Murphy, I have to make a decision. What do I see? Do I see a square shape, a circular shape, a triangle, a rectangle? What are kind of some of the main shapes that I see? And so when I look at Eddie, I see the round. Let's change this color. Yellow. Okay. I see the round shape here that sticks out, and I see the kind of elongated there, and it has like little ears. So what you can exaggerate, if you want to do an exaggerated drawing of this, you could elongate his face and make it like crazy long. You can raise his eyebrow and put it like way up here. So there's a lot of different things that you could do. So let's go back to black and let's get started. I think what I'm going to start with is right behind his ear. But actually, you know what? I'm gonna start with the ear first. Let's draw a little ear, like so. And then let's go with his head. Bam. I'm gonna have his eyebrow way up here. And his cheek. And let's go down to the mouth. Then his chin, and then we go up and back to the ear, and we go here, there, and this is just a quick sketch. And we'll go across the top here, we do that, we go down, and we do this little, and his eyebrows up here, so we're gonna have his eyebrow way up there. Right, and then we're gonna have this eyebrow way down here, about like so. We're gonna do a curve, and we're gonna do a wrinkle in his forehead there. And tell you what, we're gonna do his nose, make his nose wide. Do the eye. Like so. And then we do this other eye. Like so. Alright, then let's do his mouth. So we're gonna do about like this here. Now let's add. Now let's have the mouth maybe about like there. And we'll do the mustache. This marker not doing like I want. I mean, this pen isn't doing like I want it to. Okay, and we're just drawing some lines for the hair here. Here we have Eddie Murphy. And make a signature. Eddie Murphy. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. Just something quick, and have a beautiful day. I'm Kevin Bentley with Bentley's Arts. See you later.